Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So last time you saw the video that my wife um, got hit from the back from the parking lot. So somebody backed into her car. So this thing is broken. This one is bent. So I try to pop it out and I try to hammer it out a little bit the best I could. So I guess that's look okay. I'm not a professional detailer or body shop, so I cannot pop the whole thing out, which is fine. Now I have this crack light, brake light right here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace it with a new one right here that I bought it from eBay. Right here. So I got this thing from eBay for $35. So I'll show you how to replace that. It's pretty simple. Go ahead and open the trunk. So since I already pre-removed this back cover right here, as you can see, there's just a lot of plug that you need to plug it in. As you can see, the back cover is right here, a lot of plug. So if you plan to replace this, make sure you buy a lot of these, which I can put it in my video description in case if you want to buy some. So after you remove, or just basically you just pull it out, and in the back of that there are a couple, let me see, let me get the, so you need a 10mm socket, and basically there's only as you can see, it's right here. So there's a plug right here that you press it and pull it out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. So hard to do with just one hand. There you go. So remove the plug, and there's a 10mm right here and another 10 right here. So basically you just remove those two. Let me try to get it in. Hopefully I can do it. So there you go, just remove it. So, oh, let me get the other one. Oh, excuse me, right here. So I'm trying to do with the other one. So the other one is up here. As you can see, there's two of them. Yeah. So just remove that. Okay, that should do it. So go ahead and remove those two. So it should come out. That's one. And then the other one's right here. So it's 10mm socket. Should come out. There you go. So I got two of them now. And all you need to do is just push this out. And it should come out from the other side. Okay. So you should be able to take it out. There's a two plug right here. Just you can take it out. Oh, okay. Let me set this up. Let me try and remove it. There you go. So remove it. And as you can see, there's one plug right here, and then there's another plug down here. So that's it. You remove it. Now you put this on the ground. As you can see right here, there's a light bulb right here, and there's another light bulb right here. So you want to switch it over to the new one. So it's exactly the same as the new one. So all you need to do is just switch the plug. Let me set the camera up. So the old one, you just twist it and pull it out. And there you go. So you do that to the new one. So remove this one and just plug into the other one. Same thing with the second one. Twist, then pull, then remove it. Come over here. Twist and pull, and just plug it in. There you go. Nothing fancy about it. Now when you're done, just plug it back, then lock it in, plug it back, then just lock it in. And basically you are done. Okay. So now you got the new one with the bolt, transfer the bolt. And all you need to do is just remove the plastic cover. As you can see, brand new. Go ahead and just plug that back in. And you should be done with that one. So let me set up the camera. So same procedure. Just plug it in. And line up the plug. You plug it in. Press it. Make sure it's in all the way. So make sure you got this rubber piece to go on top. This rubber piece right here to go on top. Yeah. There you go. Okay. So that's good. And now you just need to open the trunk and screw everything back in. Okay, you guys, I got the screw in, both screw in. I got the plug in, and let's go ahead and close it down. So you can see from the top. So there you go. So okay, guys, we're gonna do a testing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car and test and see if the light work. Okay, so here's the comparison between the old and the new one. So as you can see, the new light we just installed working great. Same thing as the old one on the right side, so the left side worked just fine. So uh, it looked great. So that looked good. And go ahead and put the cover back on, and you are done. So hopefully this video will help you out if you need to replace your brake light on the rear. And hopefully you guys find it useful. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.